of the challenges we faced, the endeavors we made, and the success we achieved, and to show what we were, what we are, and what we will be. Here am I hence much privileged to stand before you, to extend profound wishes and greetings from the bottom of my heart, to bring the warmth of our affection through the stream of love, to welcome each and every one of you. The theme for this school annual day is Ambika 2020, a musical tribute to the founder of Divya Jyoti Group of Schools, Srimati Ambika Devi, a noble woman in a noble profession. A strong woman works out every day. Pride in her appearance she portrays. But a woman of strength kneels to pray, her soul in shape, God leading the way. It is time for yet another day of the year to exhibit the talents of all our children, to bring to your notice their academic excellence and the medals they bagged in their outstanding performances in sports and the grades they achieved in curricular as well as extracurricular activities, and in everything they speak and perform today as the cultural function unfolds. We are extremely happy to have with us Shri Temten Wadia as the chief guest. He is the Honorary Secretary of the Daman Hoteliers Association since 1991 and the President of Daman Vapi Parsi Anjum since 2016. He pursued his education in Mumbai and returned to Daman in 1979 to continue in his father's business, Hotel Marina, founded in the year 1945 and kept in shape with traditional Parsi interiors by professional architects from Mumbai. The hotel is now a heritage monument, 153 years old. Congratulations, sir, for carrying out and running such a wonderful business. Once again, I thank you, sir, for accepting our invitation to grace this function, giving us your precious time in your busy schedule. I also extend a warm welcome to our guests of honor, famous personalities in their respective fields. Shri Rohan R. Patel, Joint Managing Trustee, Sai Educational Trust, accompanied by his mom, Srimati Dakshaben Patel, Brahma Kumari Kantaben and Brahma Kumari Rashmiben of Prajapita Brahma Kumari Ishwa Vidyalay, Daman and Vapi, who were kind enough to accept our invitation and make their presence felt on this occasion. I also welcome our special invitees, Shri Manas Ranjan Mahapatra, Chairman, Divya Jyoti Rural Education Society, Shri Chittaranjan Mahapatra, Shri Jamshed Bhai Dadrawala, Retired Executive Engineer, PWD Daman, for making it to today's function, taking time out of your busy schedule. A warm welcome to our Treasurer, Shri Debashish Mahapatra, and our Principal, Shri Satyaprakash Mahapatra, for gracing the occasion. Dear parents, I extend a warm welcome to all of you out here who are with us today to share in our joy and delightful moments of the day, to encourage your children and to be a part of what we are. Wishing all of you once again a happy and memorable evening. Thank you.